actively involved at the county level, which is where it all begins. Do they have the people that have been part of the process that know how the system works? And if they were getting new people, did they have new people who were willing to learn how the process works to make sure that they could have an impact?
But still, the Trump camp fared much better than Cruz did in Michigan when it comes to putting those delegates on committees. Pete Hoekstra, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
And all three GOP candidates and their families will sit down with CNN this week for town hall events. Tonight at 9 Eastern, the Kasich in fact, with John Kasich, just mentioned his supporters a moment ago in New York.
I don't know what it's going to be. Anderson Cooper tonight at 9. If you want to see my wife and kids, then tune in. I don't know. They're 16. I don't know what they're going to say. Okay? But I've been giving them a lot of stuff. So they'll say good things. Anyway.
And tomorrow, the Trump and Wednesday, the Cruz family, only on CNN. And up next, President Obama goes out of his way to defend Hillary Clinton over her personal emails, but did he go too far during the investigation? Senator Rand Paul has a few words. He joins me live. Plus, as the wives of the Republican rivals get ready to answer voters' questions on CNN, we'll talk about what they need to do to shine. And first, Bruce Springsteen now Bryan Adams canceling one of his concerts in the South over a new law critics say discriminates. I'll speak live with the mayor of that city to get his reaction.
At Northrop Grumman, our microchips are getting so small and fast, they're taking on far bigger roles, completely transforming the world we live in, enabling entirely new kinds of technology to help it keep this country safe. All thanks to our full breadth of capabilities. Because to us, a microchip's impact should be anything but micro. That's the value of performance.